Hey there, pizza lovers! Today we are bringing you a recipe that's warm, gooey, and downright irresistible: spiral pizza buns. First things first, let's pour warm milk into a mixing bowl. We'll sprinkle in 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, and to add just the right amount of sweetness, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give this a good mix. Add 3 cups of plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by a tablespoon of vegetable oil for that perfect texture. Give this a good mix to bring everything together. It's time to get our hands dirty. We are going to hand knead this dough to perfection. Now, using a gentle pushing and folding motion, knead the dough in the bowl. Continue this process for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Sprinkle extra flour when it's sticky. Kneading develops the gluten in the dough, giving our pizza bun softness. Once our dough is beautifully smooth and elastic, shape it into a ball. This is how the dough should look like, slightly sticky. Cover the bowl. Once our dough is beautifully risen, it's time to roll it out and fill it with all the good stuff. Dust the work surface with some flour. This is to prevent sticking the dough onto the board when it's done. With a rolling pin, we gently press and roll the dough flat, making it bigger and thinner. We are going to need a rectangle shape just like this. Spread 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce evenly over the dough. You can also use barbecue sauce or hot sauce to add some heat into this. Sprinkle some oregano to give it that classic pizza flavor. Now let's generously layer on 1.5 cup of our cheese blend. I'm using Colby, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Roll the dough into a tight log, trapping all those delicious filling inside. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of using a knife, we are going to employ a little kitchen hack to achieve those perfect spiral cuts. Take a long piece of thread, like a sewing thread or dental floss, and slide it under the dough log. Gently cross the ends of the thread over the top of the log and pull them in opposite directions. With a steady motion, the thread will slice through the dough cleanly, creating those beautiful spirals. Arrange the buns in a baking dish, making sure to leave some space between each one. Place the buns in preheated oven to bake on 450 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. And just like that, our spiral pizza buns are out of the oven, golden and gooey. Get ready to dig into these warm, cheesy delights. Whether it's for a party or a cozy night in, these pizza buns are sure to be a hit. This is also great for kids' lunchboxes. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe. Until next time, happy baking!